Hi, welcome to yet another edition of FD Zone. I hope more people will join in along the way. This time, instead of doing a regular 4 p.m. screening, we decided to do a 1.5 day festival of films on music because we felt that it might be interesting to watch a series of films on very different musical traditions together, but also to try and think about, and that's how we put this package of 10 films together, to think about how filmmakers, in a sense, are thinking about listening to music or thinking about musical structures. Most of them are filmmakers that are, in a sense, engaging with the music. So 5 very, very different films opening the doors for us to think about different kinds of music, different genres of filmmaking that are looking at music, and so on and so forth. We will watch the first 2 films together, take a short break, and then start the third one. Thank you.
But then after that, you turn your back and you snore your ass off. So what the hell is that, man? But the guitar is always there. You don't complain.
I would have originally actually liked Paromita's film to come in on the second day, somewhere at a point when we would have been nicely saturated with all kinds of musical traditions, and then sort of throw in and bung in this moment of rupture by thinking, moving out of the smaller domain of arts and aesthetics and coming out into ideas of circulation, of piracy, of commerce, and the other big bad words associated with commerce and music. But Paromita is not available tomorrow, and then I thought maybe this might be inversely an interesting way to frame the films that are sort of going to follow through. So with that idea, and the other important thing about the mode of filmmaking that Paromita uses, which is very different from the other films that we have, is she gets into the mode of an essay, of using an essay, of sort of throwing in together, layering the narrative with a lot of ideas that are, in a sense, provoking each out of a certain simplistic, comfortable zone. So I think that becomes another very, very interesting mode of filmmaking to throw into this jumble of 10 films to think about music. So those were the ideas with which we wanted to include Paromita's film. But now, Paromita, thank you so much for coming here.
So thank you everybody for coming for the film. There's actually nothing nicer than being able to show your film at an event that is organized by other filmmakers and colleagues, and being part of that community. I won't say a lot about the film. Surabhi has kind of introduced it. The other nice thing about having your friends show your films is that they always complain about you before the film starts. So now that Surabhi has complained that I'm showing you the film in the middle of the smooth flow, let me just say that the film is about, it focuses a lot on music and the circulation of music, but it's really a kind of meditation on what is the meaning of art and the importance of art in our lives, maybe. And one of the reasons that I've made it is because as an independent filmmaker, any kind of independent artist, these are actually things we grapple with living in the times that we do. I mean, we listen to pirated music, we download stuff, but we want other people to buy our stuff. We wonder how we're going to survive, yet we say that, everything has changed. But what about livelihood? So these are some, I think, in the kind of absolute discussion about copyright, which you find in the corporate sector, and the kind of fascism of copyleft, on the other hand, a lot of these issues, I think, get left aside. So the film is really looking at what's the relationship between audiences and art, and what's the relationship that the artist then has with that work and with people. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk more.